Nuclear. We used to say nuclear in Texas. There was a different president. And then Obama came along, we said nuclear. And then, I don't know what we say now. Huge, nuclear. I haven't ever heard Mr. Trump say nuclear, at least in terms of electricity. This guy will say anything, right? I can't see you, so I got to know I got your attention at least. There's hydro. Oh, there came the solar in yellow. Here's wind. And then the biomass, which we call green in Europe somehow. That's a different discussion. It's not. So that's what produces the electricity. About 7% of the electricity from wind and solar. Most of you went for less than 3. You were talking about total energy. The question was how much of the electricity? 7%. So if we take a look at coal, guess what? North America and Europe way down. We built our nations on coal. Guess who's doing the same thing? Asia, just back from Vietnam, we're filming, they're building their economy on coal today. And then these other small little contributors from coal so far. Okay. So the big one is in Asia Pacific. How about solar? Look at the growth in solar. You will hear solar is growing faster than any other electricity, and it's true. Look at the steep growth. And you'll hear the prices are coming down on the panels. They are. Now there's not a lot of headroom, but look at the great decrease in price. We're missing some things still, but let's celebrate those. And here's wind. And guess who has the most hot air in the country? Texas. We produce more wind than anybody else times 3. 23 gigawatts in nameplate capacity. 5 massive 345 kV power lines coming into the demand centers for wind. Back to this. Now let's look at the growth in electricity globally, and I'm going to lay the wind on top of it. You can see the different growth rates across the same time frames. It's phenomenal. What's this missing? I heard it. Scale. Let's scale them the same. Oops. Remember, wind is the part of that little yellow wedge. So when we talk about climate change and carbon, will renewable energy address climate change if we only have 15 to 20 years? No, it can't. If you say climate change and renewable energy, you don't understand one of the two.